In this video, we'll be comparing LangChain against LangGraph. So if you're building modern AI workflows with large language models, you've probably heard of LangChain. But now there's also LangGraph, which sounds similar but actually targets somewhat different patterns. So we'll start with LangChain. LangChain is a widely used open source framework to connect LLMs, data sources, tools, and build workflows. It's the core idea. You build chains, a sequence of steps or agents, LLMs that select tools and react. The key takeaways here are that it has a large ecosystem of integrations, so various LLMs, vector stores, and tools. It's good for quick prototyping of linear workflows. Think document Q&As, summarization, chatbots, so forth. There are some limitations here though. When workflows get dynamic, so you've got tons of loops and branching paths, persistent states, it can feel forced. It's mainly designed for sequences rather than full graph workflows that loop back. So if we take a look at LangGraph, it's a newer, more specialized framework built by the same ecosystem to handle graph-based workflows rather than just chains. Instead of each step strictly after the other, like with LangChain, LangGraph supports nodes plus edges plus states, allowing branching, loops, conditional logic, persistence of states across nodes. So the main strengths here are that it has a more flexible architecture. Nodes get reused and you have stateful context across steps. It's designed for production scale agent systems rather than just prototyping a linear chart. Trade-offs though are, of course, with all this flexibility comes higher complexity. So it requires upfront workflow modeling, state schema, more design than just write a chain. It is still, I want to say new, but a word I saw used in another article to describe it, it's less mature. So then on this one, I think it's rather clear which way you should lean depending on what you're trying to do. LangChain, if you're building something that follows a more or less fixed sequence of steps. You want to prototype quickly, iterate fast, and your logic doesn't require heavy branching or looping paths. As well as if you're a smaller team or you're working solo and don't want to invest a lot in workflow design overhead. So then a LangGraph would be just the opposite. Your application needs complex logic, conditional routing, multi-agent coordination, and so forth. You're building a production scale system that must handle dynamic decisions, failures, and adapt to changing context, as well as being comfortable investing more time in upfront design and architecture for better long-term flexibility. When it comes to Langsmith's pricing, you are looking at $0 per seat per month, and you'll only end up paying for what you use. This also only guarantees one seat. Now for teams building and deploying agents, there is Plus at $39 per seat per month, and then obviously pay as you go. And once you go over 10 seats, you are looking at Enterprise, which you will have to contact sales for. And that about wraps it up for us, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.